Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nancy. Please subscribe, share and like my videos, and please put on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So in today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to draft this trendy sleeve. I'll start by folding pattern paper in form of a triangle. Obviously one side is longer than one, but I'll be using the fuller part of the paper. It means I have to turn it to the other side. Make sure it is folded properly as shown. Now I'll place my tape from the edge of the triangle down to 6 inches to rule a straight line. The next line is the cap height. To achieve this, you divide the bust measurement by 12 inches. The bust for this client is 42 inches. Divided by 12, I'll have 3.5 inches. Now I'll place the ruler as shown to create a slant line. So this will guide us in achieving the armhole curve. Cap height, I'll measure the armhole. The armhole for this client is 18 inches divided by 2, that is 9 inches, but here I have about 10 inches. That's 1 inch for the sewing allowance. Now on the slant line, I'll get the midpoint. This is 10 inches divided by 2, I have 5 inches. Now I'll use my French curve to connect the edge to the midpoint. Then I'll connect the midpoint down to the armpit region. Please take note that this folded side will be joined to the armpit, while the straight opening will be joined to the shoulder. Now I'll trim out the armhole. To be sure I got the exact armhole measurements, I'll place my tape as shown. What I have here is 10 inches, so I'll sew it by 1 inches. So weave it by half an inch. Place where I have the allowance, I'll mark about 17 inches, that is below the elbow. Now the armpit region, I'll mark about 24 inches, which is the exact sleeve length. So I'll place my tape this way to mark 24 inches in form of a flare. I'll stop marking 24 inches when I get to the point where the tape becomes straight. Obviously the tape is straight at this point, so I'll stop there. Now I'll use a French curve to connect these 2 points together. That's the 24 inches down to the 17 inches I marked. After drafting, I'll trim this out. Just in case it wasn't clear, this from this region where I'll join the shoulder to this point is 17 inches, while the armpit region is 24 inches, which is the actual sleeve length. The table isn't wide enough, so that is what I'm trying to explain further. This is the region I said when the tape becomes straight, you stop marking 24 inches. I'll place the pattern on the fabric. Here I didn't fold the fabric in form of a triangle, so I just folded it like a regular fold. Now I've placed the pattern paper on the fabric, making sure that the folded side of the pattern paper is placed on the folded side of the fabric as shown. Now I'll trim this out. Please take note, I used 1 yard to cut a single sleeve, so I'll be using another 1 yard to cut the second sleeve, and that will be 2 yards altogether. So this is the Ankara fabric I'll pleat on the edges of the sleeve. Width is 4 inches, and if I fold it into 2, I'll have 2 inches. So this is 4 inches by 36 inches. So I'll be making use of about 5 straps of this for a single sleeve. All you need to do is to join the edges by ½ an inch, so it will be long enough for the pleats. After joining, you fold the strap into 2 to give it a good press before pleating on the sleeve. All you need to do is to spread out the sleeve as shown, then attach the straps at the edges by pleating it from one edge to the end of the other edge. Now I've secured the edges and I made sure I weaved it inside. We are almost done. Now I'll fold it to the wrong side of the fabric, and I'll place it as shown to sew ½ an inch, so about 16 inches, making sure it's below the elbow. So this is the outcome of this beautiful sleeve. You should give it a try. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos. So this is the dress I want to attach the sleeve to. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Bye.